I was creating with my Sentro 48, and I wanted to try to do Fair Isle technique, and I started to do it, and it looked like spirograph, but I kept going, and when I finished, it looked really good. However, there were all of these strings on the inside, and the design on the front, it was puffed up, and there was actual little holes there. It wasn't solid, and didn't look very, I mean, this is, you see one side is raised, one of the other side is level, so I had to take each and every one of those cords, excuse me, Father, excuse me, and cut them, and then tie each and every one of those little points according to the tension of the knit that's already knitted. So once I did that, I was able to kind of eye it and gauge the tension of the knit, so that when I tied it in place, made a final knot, I turned it around, and it was no longer puffed up. It was sitting flat with the rest of the knit. So it took a long time. As you can see, all of these strands. It took a long time to cut through them, and then to tie them, to figure it out. You know, it's all guesswork for me. But now I have this one to go, and this one it's all Fair Isle all the way through, and the braids. But see how you can see the left side, the two diagonal lines on the left side are puffed up. The one on the right side is nice and flat, and it's even with the knit. And this is what I realized. It was like, well, wait a minute, I don't want it sticking up like that. I want it flat. I want it to look like a regular knitted piece. So when I was examining it and I picked it up, there's actually little holes that go through those designs until you tighten it up, and then it brings all of the knit together. So it's a lot of work, but I love detail. So I started, and I continued with this, and I finished up the whole beanie, and it is wonderful.